Here we see the initial intake. Thousands of pounds of fresh blueberries are carefully inspected and rinsed before moving to the cooking vats.
The berries are carefully inspected before moving into these massive vats, where they are gently crushed and stirred, sealed and labeled.
The culmination of the process, as the hot jam is precisely dispensed into the jars before moving.
The capping machine seals them tightly before they are labeled for distribution.
Freshness.
Once the perfect temperature is reached, the automated system dispenses the precise amount of sugar and pectin.
The berries are heated in these massive vats, slowly churning until they reach the perfect consistency. Here we see the automated multi-head filler in action, dispensing the thick jam before the rotary.
The fresh blueberries are heated and then precisely measured into sterilized jars.
Once the berries reach the perfect consistency, they are rapidly dispensed into jars, sealed and labeled, ready for shipment.
The vibrant jam is dispensed hot into the glass. Continues seamlessly as the fresh jam is dispensed into jars at an incredible rate, maintaining the highest quality standards.
The process is highly automated. As the jam is precisely measured into the jars, they are immediately sealed to lock in the flavor.
The labeling process is precise, with machines handling thousands of jars an hour, but final quality.
The capping machine secures the lids at high speed before moving on to quality control, ensuring every jar meets the highest standards.
The first step is meticulous sorting. Only the freshest blueberries make it past this stage. Once sterilized, the jars are filled with the rich blueberry mixture and immediately sealed to lock in the flavor. Precision nozzles inject the vibrant blueberry mixture, sealing in.
The sanitized jars move rapidly.
The fresh berries are heated and then rapidly dispensed into sterile jars, ensuring that rich, vibrant flavor is locked in.
The jars move rapidly to the fresh blueberry jam is dispensed into sterilized glass jars.
Perfectly sealed and labeled before undergoing a final quality inspection. The quality of the final product.
Once the perfect consistency is reached, the rich jam is carefully poured into waiting glass jars, ready for sealing.
we see the precise filling process.
Thousands of fresh blueberries begin their journey, washed and inspected before reaching the cooking vats.
The process begins with a rigorous wash before the berries are simmered in our large vats, ensuring that perfect consistency before bottling.
Recipient. Once the berries reach the optimal temperature,
The jam flows into sterilized jars. They are then rapidly cooled.
Line, where sterile nozzles pour the mixture into sparkling jars.
The freshly sealed jars now move rapidly to the labeling station, where high-speed applicators ensure perfect placement before the final cooling stage.
Once filled, the jars are immediately.
The conveyor belt moves the jars to the filling station, where the hot blueberry jam is precisely measured and poured before moving on to the capping machine.
Ensuring peak freshness. From the cooking vats, the jam is rapidly cooled and filled into glass jars, moving swiftly towards the high-speed capping mechanism.
Vacuum sealing process ensures peak freshness.
The berries are cooked in these large, sterile vats, continuously stirred to achieve that perfect, glossy consistency.
Then quickly sealed to lock in the freshness.
The automated system ensures precise measurements as the warm jam is dispensed, followed
Is applied.
the vibrant blueberry jam is precisely measured into sterile jars before being vacuum sealed for fresh.
Here we see the volumetric filling machine in action, precisely measuring each serving before the jars are sealed and labeled for shipment.
Rigorous quality control checks. Is dispensed into sterilized jars with incredible precision, ensuring from the filling station to the high-speed capping machine.
And our team performs final quality checks.
Inside these gleaming steel vats, the berries reach their ideal temperature, beginning the transformation from fruit to jam.
as the freshly cooked jam moves swiftly along the
And ensures every jar receives the perfect amount of our signature.
The berries are vigorously simmered in our stainless steel vats. Constant
Jar of our blueberry jam meets the highest standards.